What do you sell here? I mean, if I was still farming like my grandfather, everybody knew my grandfather. He was a legend. My dad didn't take on the farm, and then my grandfather had to sell it. And I don't think he had this cart here. I could do the farming thing, but I don't have a farm. If I still farm, and I'd be able to buy this cart. I am qualified. I was thinking about, like, the other day, my grandfather was like, do you guys have like a popcorn stand or anything like that? And he was telling me this one time he went to this restaurant, the fact that you give out pens and the waitress came up and he's like, I want some steak and eggs. I just love this agriculture. I mean, you guys are the backbone of what's going on. And the coffee, I don't think he had creamer, actually. The creamer was not really... Oh, hey, Larry.
Hey guys, Nick Welker here from Welker Farms. I'm at the Big Iron Farm Show. We are gonna have a great time. So anyways, guys, some of the food here at the show is some of the best stuff Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, all right.
Yeah, so if you really want to check us out.
So I'll show you guys real quick how this thing works. Yeah, actually, you stay right there real quick. So I'm here at the ready booth with Jennifer.
So I'm Lisa.
So you guys are on YouTube?
Yeah,
that's cute. So equipment here is huge, guys. This is the meter roller. So you guys do what again? Right now it's at least 5 times bigger than the nearest machine on our neighbor's farm. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and spend some time showing you guys a little bit around their booth and show you what I think is cool and maybe what's not cool and what I think you guys should not worry about and get. So let's get a shot. And the product comes down into your roller, which then distributes it at a certain rate. Just realized this is a great lighting right now for a selfie. So we're hopefully gonna spend some time over at the, perfect, there we go. Oh, new, a second here. Oh, you know what, I better just send that out right now.
So I see you're doing some bearings in the closing wheel arm pivots. Where are you buying these from? Koyo, Pier, Timken, KRP?
Hey, so I see you're interested in a conveyor here.
I'm looking for stainless steel parts for my Seedmaster.
You have a deer?
No, Seedmaster.
Oh, okay. We don't make one yet that's quite long enough for you.
How long till I'd be able to get one?
It's gonna be a while.
Okay. Do you have any of this stuff for Seedmasters?
Well, I have a blockage system for you.
I'm sorry to disappoint. We actually don't for your Seedmaster, but I got a great blockage monitor I could sell you.
Could I write your name down?
No, that's all right. All right.
How about I just grab you a bucket? We appreciate you stopping in. Hey! All right, we're at Big Iron here. We got school coming up and we need to get our free stuff, all right? Everybody ready? Hands in. Free on 3. 1, 2, 3, free! Oh, so are you giving out buckets?
Yeah, you got an air seeder?
I don't. But I'll walk around and advertise for you.
All right.
And would these guys be able to have one too?
All right.
This little auger we have here. Ready?
Yeah, that'd be a really sweet thing to have if only I was a farmer.
Oh, you're not a farmer?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hey, how did we do today? Oh, great job. Oh, great job. Hey, you did pretty good too.
I wonder if they have anything faster. Hey, are those flags for sale?
What?
Are those flags for sale?
Yeah!
Hey, I'll take 2 of them. Throw them in the back.
All right!
Don't worry about scratching it. It's a rental.
Later!
Farm tubers. Hey, will you guys sign my hat? Fine. Well, see you later.
Oh, that's got to go back.
Hey, Larry, hey, buddy. Hey, good to see you, bud. Seriously, man. I want to show you. I want to show you like the picture of the friend that you, Larry. Hey, Larry, buddy.
Just look how many people are out here. This is amazing. I bet they're all here for my autograph too.
Don't I know you from somewhere?
I don't think I've ever met you.
No one has anything for me. Ugh!